Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine.
Hey you guys, long time no see. Hold on, let me turn off this. So today I thought I would do a little room tour. I don't know if this is gonna do well, but who cares, because I want to do it because I think my room is pretty cute. And yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so that, I'm not really sure. Oh yeah, it was just Christmas, so I was wrapping stuff, so it's just trash, but I just haven't taken it out. And then on the floor here, I have a bulletin board, yes. And then I actually drew this in my community college when I was taking art. We went outside and we took inspiration from the trees and we drew it with like a piece of coal. And yeah, I was really proud of it, and it kind of faded because I put it in my binder, and then yeah, but I still think it looks pretty cool. And yeah, I feel like, I don't know, I just really like it and I'm proud of myself. And then right here I just have a little sticker from UNT, and then right here it's a picture of me that I posted on Twitter, but I had used the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. Come focus. And I printed it out because she actually really liked it. Oh, and there goes Rosie. She's a cool girl. You can follow her on Rosie Moran. She's pretty crazy, but yeah. And then here, oh, it was during finals, and me and my friend, we were studying, and they were having pancakes and coffee, I think, and then they were having like a little booth, a photo booth, so we went, and obviously you can tell that we were a little ratchet looking, because you know how finals are. But yeah, she might not like that I'm putting that in the video, but whatever, girl, you cute, okay. So that's down there, and if we go up here, we get to my first poster, which says, "The idea of waiting for something makes it more exciting." And the reason I like that, I got this at school too. They were selling like a bunch of posters, and the reason I like that, oh wait, let me put y'all back over here. The reason I like that was because, I don't know, I feel like today, like with internet and stuff, we want everything like now. And I don't know, I just wanted to reinforce and look at it every day and be like, you know, patience is key basically, and yeah, slow and steady wins the race. But yeah, I have this little thing that says my name, and actually that's like super old. I actually got that made in freaking middle school, so I don't even know how long ago that was, like freaking years. But basically this girl's boyfriend, boyfriend would draw out like those type of whatever letters, and I was like, oh, that's pretty cool, like give it to me, or tell him to make me one. And he did, and so I kept it, and I never put it up like in my old room at my house. I never put it up, but I don't know, I thought it would look pretty cool over here. But there was a freaking fly right here, and I killed it, and now it has like blood. So yeah. And then when we move up, we have this Dallas Mavericks Star Wars picture poster thing. My sister got that for me because she went to a basketball game, and yeah, I live in Texas, so Dallas Mavericks fan right here. And then I got this poster. If you don't know, one of my favorite artists is Logic. So I ordered that poster. It was like 10 bucks. And supposedly he signed it. That little signature is supposed to be his. But who knows? Maybe it wasn't. But I like to think it was. And then when we moved down, we had this little wooden plaque thingy that says I love you to the moon and back, which I think is pretty cute, and I got that from the thrift store. And this actually fell down too, but I put tape. I know I should probably like drill it to the wall, but I'm not trying to make holes, so I just put tape in the back and hopefully it'll stay. And then right here it's a little newspaper article thingy. And in my community college, I went to Richland. I did my first play there. I only had one line, and it was I do, and I had to like kiss this guy. Like, I don't know if you can see him, but yeah, that was me. And then I highlighted my name right here. Yeah, so I think that's pretty cool. I do like acting, so I'm trying to get into it slowly but surely. And yeah, I just thought, like, if I ever make it big, or if I ever do something really cool, it'd be cool to look back and, you know, see that was my first ever play and performing. And then here's me. Oh yeah, this mirror. Then I have this mirror down here, and I actually got that at the thrift store too, and it was like $4. The only thing I don't like, it's a little crooked sometimes, or I don't know if it's straight or not, but yeah. But I just like it because I don't have to like bend down. I can just, you know, when I'm going out the door, I can just look at myself. And yeah. Okay, moving on to, I guess, the left, we got this cute little, what is it, painting, and I really liked it. Like, how cute, like cactus. Oh, I really liked it because it was circular, and I thought, oh, that's pretty cool. Like, usually things are square, obviously. And yeah, and I got this at the thrift store too, and it was probably like $3. And the only thing I don't like, it doesn't sit flat on the wall, and it's like, what is this, like clay or whatever. So I'm kind of scared that one day it'll fall and break, but hopefully it doesn't. But it's really cute right there.
Waking up, feeling the taste of our fight last night.
And then when we move back, oh, do you like my outfit? I was trying to be cute for y'all, but I was like, I'm not in the mood. I didn't even do my hair. I barely did my makeup. I was like, this is the real me, you know. But anyways, I have just one of those cheap mirrors. My sister bought me one because my little sister broke my other one, and I basically just put my hats in there, my beanie, and then I have a picture of me and my best friend when we went to a Rangers game, and it was her birthday. And then if we move left, I have more pictures, and she actually gave this for, I think, my 21st birthday. I think she made this. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that was no, yeah, she gave it to my 21st birthday. So yeah, I thought it was pretty cute. And if we move up, give you a whole shot of it. I feel like I'm so crooked. I hope this video turns out well. Anyways, let's start with this little painting. Oh, the little ledge thingy, if anybody's wondering, is from IKEA, and it was like $10. So it was pretty good deal. So this little painting right here I got from Jamaica, and I really liked it because I liked all the little colors and stuff. The only thing is, I really don't know like what those kids are supposed to be doing. I hope it's nothing like bad or crazy, but I just really like the colors, and yeah, it was really cute. And then moving on, we have this little Scooby-Doo, and honestly, I have no idea where he came from. He was just in my room one day, and I was like, okay, you cute, you're staying with me. So yeah, I just like little trinkets like that. And then right here, as you can see, it says Panama City Beach. So me and my family went to Panama. Let me shake this up. Oh my god, holding this camera is like freaking testing my muscles. Yeah. And it's just like a little turtle. It's a little turtle, and it's super cute, and I love it. Then we have this cute little vase. Again, I got it at the thrift store. And I love the colors and the design. And then I just put some fake plants that I got like from the dollar store, which I thought were pretty cute. And then, oh, am I being annoying? Okay, whatever. Oh yeah, I'm sure if you're at a university, they're always hosting little things that you can do. And one of the things in my school was we could decorate like a little Texas thingy. So I did, and my school colors are like green. And obviously my name is Daisy, so I tried to do a daisy in the middle. And it didn't work out too well, but it's still pretty cute. The frame beside it, I got it from Walmart, and I don't know, I really liked it. And then I just put a piece of paper, a piece of scrapbook paper. I put a piece of scrapbook paper inside of it, and yeah, pretty cute. Oh, and this piece I also got at the thrift store. I'm pretty sure it was like 10 bucks, and honestly what drew me to it was this like border that it has around it. I guess the frame, it reminds me of like bamboo, and I love that it's gold. And I don't know, the flowers, it's like kind of simplistic, minimal, but at the same time it still has like yeah, bitch, I'm still here. And if you move to the left, I have my vanity with my chair. That chair is from IKEA. Honestly, it was the like cheapest chair I could find, and it was 40 bucks or 50, like 40, 50 bucks, like around there. Honestly, it's not the most comfortable, so I put this blankie to sit on it because yeah, but I don't know, like chairs are like really expensive, y'all. I don't know, but and honestly this is what it usually looks like. Probably more messy because I do my makeup and stuff there, but yeah, you can see I just have a Gatorade lotion. My skin is so dry, I need lotions at all times. Water bottle, Del Rancho, you know, that's where my mama gets me. If you're Mexican, you know that store. Oh, and then I got these little free deep in the heart of UNT, what are they called, coasters. And then I put my water there. Oh, and then I got this book. I'm sure this is like a pretty popular book, but I really liked it. It was The 5 People You Meet in Heaven, and it was only 3 bucks, and it was really cute, and I liked it, so definitely recommend. Then I got this vase. Oh, I'm gonna sit down. I got this vase from the thrift store as well. I'm sure it was again like probably 5 bucks. And then I have these flowers. Can we get the light? Okay. And then I have these flowers, which again were probably from the dollar store. My mouse. Honestly, I bought this mouse in the beginning when I started my YouTube thingy. And because I don't know, I felt really weird, or it was like really hard for me to edit on the laptop, like just using the little mouse pad. And then I got this, and then I was using that for a while, and then I went back to using like the mouse pad, and now I prefer that. Besides that, I just think this one lags just a little bit, and it kind of gets on my nerves, but it's still good. But it was kind of pricey. It was like 60 bucks, I think, maybe even more. But yeah, I kind of bought it for nothing because I don't even use it anymore, but whatevs. Moving on, I have this little thingy trinket. I got this at a concert. I forgot the girl's name, but I went to go see BB Borelli. My sister got me this, which is actually pretty handy. Like these are the type of things like I wouldn't buy for myself, but I actually put my planner, or what else did I put? Oh, I put my phone on it. I don't know where your phone is. Oh, I put my phone in it, and like, you know, so I can watch videos and it'll stand up straight. So this has been pretty handy. And I just have like my face wash. I should go in the bathroom, honestly. And then I have this little mirror, which I got from Ross. Hello. What else? I hope this is kind of exciting. Not exciting, but I don't know, somewhat entertaining, because if it's not, it's kind of sad, but whatever. And then, so that's kind of like what it looks like. Okay, so I just moved my light and stuff, but basically in this little corner, I have my ring light, and then my thing for my camera to film videos, and then I have this little like backdrop, you know. So yeah, I usually film in this little corner right here. And besides that is the closet. Actually, I cleaned it a little. Well, I hanged up my clothes, so it looks pretty good. It's my dirty clothes. It's just a bunch of junk in there. So I usually, you know, close these, you know, to make it look more presentable. And then lastly, I have my bed right here. And this beautiful tapestry, which my roommate gave to me, which I love her for that because it's so pretty, and I feel like it really makes my room, if that makes sense. But if you're Mexican, you know, or Hispanic, you know about these cobijas. Like, they're the bomb. They will keep you warm and they last forever. Like, this cobija is freaking years old, like, and still bomb. But yeah, I just have that, and then I usually keep more blankets here just because I'm always cold, and you know, sometimes you don't want a huge blanket, so I keep those there. And right here I have my little mail thingy, and I put my jewelry here there. But yeah, I have those little lamp those little light thingies, but honestly I don't turn them on. I used to turn them on whenever I first got them. Let's put the light in my face. Yeah, I used to turn them on when I first got them, but then I didn't. So, but they're cute. And then you guys, this is probably the oh my god, I can't talk. This painting is like my favorite painting ever, because I did it by myself. At first I wasn't sure what I was going for, but I don't know. I feel like in the middle it looks like a little galaxy, and then I love the like bright blue and the red, and it kind of looks like fire, but then we got some pink going on, and I don't know, I just love it. And then right below it we have this cute elephant, and what's cool about it is I got it from the Dollar Tree, and it was like $1. They have a bunch of these little sticker thingies, and it's a really good price. And yeah, oh yeah, and then I wanted to mention this lip gloss that I'm wearing. It's from NYX. Let me show it to you guys. Oh yeah, it's this lip gloss. It's the Strictly Vinyl NYX lip gloss, whatever. I'm not really into like lip glosses and stuff, but I'm pretty like into this one. It's super shiny, and it's like just the tiniest bit sticky, but I kind of like that because like the ones that are like super watery and stuff, those kind of freak me out, because obviously like the last thing you want is for you to just like touch yourself a little bit or like get it all over your teeth and not even know it. But with this one, I feel like it stays in place. The only thing I think is like you do definitely have to lip line because it's a dark color, but other than that, it's super nice and it's super glossy, and I really like it. I was like really impressed. I think it was like $6, but yeah, go check it out. Super cute. So yeah, so that was my room tour. Hopefully it was somewhat entertaining. Okay, hopefully you guys have a good day today. Be safe, don't do anything stupid. But yeah, have fun. Alright, see you guys.